In this video, I'll show you how to enable guest access in Microsoft Teams. If you need to meet with clients, candidates, or partners who don't have an account in your organization, this quick setup will let them join your meetings smoothly. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing into your account. Go to the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. This is where you create and manage all your meetings. Click New Meeting to set up a fresh invitation. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title, then set the date and time. Double-check the time zone if participants are joining from different regions, so no one misses the start. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the meeting. Open the meeting from your calendar and look for meeting options in the details. A panel will open in your browser. The key setting here is who can bypass the lobby. The lobby is a virtual waiting room that holds people until you admit them. To allow guest access, set this option to Everyone. This lets anyone with the link join directly without waiting. Only do this if you trust your invite list. If you don't see this option, your organization may restrict it, so check with your IT admin. Close the panel to save your changes. Back in the meeting details, copy the meeting link and share it with your guests via email or chat. When guests click the link, they just need to enter a display name and join. They don't have to sign in. They can use the Teams app or join through a web browser, and they'll enter automatically based on your lobby settings. During the meeting, use the Participants panel to manage attendees. You can mute lines or remove anyone who shouldn't be there, keeping your session secure and focused even with open guest access. And that's it. You've successfully created a meeting, enabled guest access, shared the link, and set yourself up to manage participants confidently. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.